Rub this oil during masturbation for rock-solid erections. Now, before you raise an eyebrow, hear me out. Many men over 50 struggle with weaker firmness, shorter stamina, or performance that simply doesn't feel the way it used to. But your body is still capable. It just needs the right support. Why erections weaken after 50? Testosterone declines. Blood vessels lose flexibility. The prostate can enlarge. Add in sitting, poor sleep, stress, and weaker circulation, and firmness fades. Why erections weaken after 50? Testosterone declines. Blood vessels lose flexibility. The prostate can enlarge. Add in sitting, poor sleep, stress, and weaker circulation, and firmness fades. The oil I recommend. The oil I recommend most is castor oil. It penetrates deeply, increases local circulation, reduces inflammation, and relieves pelvic tension. Coconut oil and almond oil are also good alternatives. How to use it? Warm a few drops in your palms. Massage not just the shaft but the base, lower abdomen, and perineum. These areas are rich in blood vessels and nerves. Go slow, breathe deeply, and treat it as self-care. Timing and frequency. Best time is evening before bed, when your body resets testosterone and circulation. 2 to 4 times per week is ideal, enough for benefits without irritation. Consistency is key. Extra benefits. Castor oil massage can also ease prostate congestion, improve urinary flow, relax lower back tension, and even support deeper sleep. It's not just about erections, it's about total vitality. Wrap up. So here's the takeaway. Rubbing natural oil isn't just comfort. It supports circulation, tissue health, prostate wellness, and confidence. Try it for 3 weeks and feel the difference. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Your best days are not behind you. With the right habits, your body can still perform. Subscribe for more science-based tips on men's health and vitality after 50.